Using a mouse with grip tape has been a game changer for me, and I've done it for every mouse in my collection up until now. Whether it was for my gaming mouse or my ergonomic one, adding grip tape is one of those upgrades that really enhance the feel and control of my mouse. Adding grip tape to your mouse significantly boosts comfort, especially if you have sweaty or dry hands during extended use. For those who experience slipping or instability, grip tape offers a reliable, steady feel enhancing control and precision in gaming, editing, or working. Personally, I find it essential since my dry hands often lead to a slippery grip, and grip tape completely remedies that, giving me confidence in my control. For the best look and fit, a custom grip tape kit tailored to your mouse model is ideal. Although not every model has one, universal kits are readily available online and can be trimmed to fit your mouse. Custom cut options deliver a seamless and polished appearance, adding both function and style to your setup. One of the downsides of mouse grip tape is that it can quickly accumulate dirt and dust if you're not diligent about keeping your mouse clean. Additionally, if you are used to using your mouse without grip tape, the added layer of foam might feel a bit odd at first, changing the feel and the thickness of the mouse in your hand. It's a nice way to improve your grip, but it also protects your mouse, keeping it in great condition. It's one of those upgrades that are really cheap to do and that you once do and never have to think about again.